Hey guys, please confirm into the chat that you can hear me because I don't know, it seems that we have some technical problems or I don't know. But yeah, please confirm into the chat that you can hear me and that everything is okay before we'll start this live trading webinar, live trading session. Yeah. The monastery. Yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah, Amar. Hi, how are you? So yeah, before I will start this this session, don't forget about the risk disclaimer. It's important, yeah, for you to understand the risks before trading, yeah, on the financial markets, Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies. I know, yeah. And yeah, and first of all, guys, let's start with our real account here right now. So right now here in our real account, yeah, I don't know, maybe around more than 1%, maybe around 1.5% growth right now with our current trades. Yeah, British pound, US dollar, euro, US dollar, Brent oil, gold. Yeah, so yeah, really good trading right now. I am late. No, you are not late. So Tanya, hi, how are you? Nursing, baby, barista, hi, how are you guys? So one moment, because yeah, okay, so let's start this session. What? I will close this window. One moment, because I will try to. Okay, so let's start with the dollar index, guys. Unfortunately, right now the current sell-off forces the US dollar to depreciate versus rivals. And earlier today, I've decided to manage my my short position here in euro versus the US dollar, as you already know, if you're a VIP member. So strong sell-off, and right now my trade is secure because my stop loss is at break even. So strong sell-off, and let's wait, because if it will maybe stay stabilized below this uptrend line, it could extend its sell-off. But right now, unfortunately, the dollar index reached this upper medium line here of the descending pitchfork dynamic resistance, and right now sell off. So yeah, only because we have this sell off right now here, euro versus US dollar increases, but yeah, my trade in euro versus US dollar is safe. Yeah, I've moved on my stop loss at break even. So yeah, I will come back with my update if of course, if my trade will be closed at break even or something, but right now it's still good. So today I've talked about this potential rally here in on the dollar index. Let's take a look again here on 15 minutes. So I've talked about this descending pitchfork. I talked about the weekly pivot point 98.41, and I've said that here, guys, if and also about daily pivot point, and I've said that something like this, an upside movement here after a sideways movement, could signal that the US dollar could appreciate versus its rivals, versus some of its rivals. That's why this rally here, this leg higher, this swing higher, forced the euro versus US dollar to drop in the short term. Okay, so that's why I wanted to go short on euro versus the US dollar. Let's take a look. Yeah, strong rebound, and maybe you're wondering why I didn't maybe, I don't know, managed my position to close it with in profit. No, because also here it has failed, guys. To personally, I'm keeping this trade. Yeah, I'm letting this trade ride. I'm keeping this trade, and if it reaches my stop loss at break even, it's fine, because it has failed here to hit 1.0960. Yeah, this former low, and personally I've expected only a temporary rebound here. I've expected maybe for the price to retest the broken uptrend line, the weekly, or actually we have here the daily S1 here at 1.0977, and something like this. Yeah, I've expected a temporary rebound, maybe for the price to retest these levels, broken support levels, before extending its drop at least towards 1.0960. okay, towards this level. And technically, after its failure to reach it, in my opinion, it could still come back down to approach to reach it, but let's see, maybe the price will hit my stop loss here at break even, and I don't know, to come back higher to retest the pivot point, the ranges, support, and also maybe the down channel's resistance or something before extending its sell-off. So personally, I'm keeping this trade right now, yeah, but only because it was risky after something like this, after this strong sell-off. Personally, I've decided to manage my position, to move my stop loss at break even, and yeah, unfortunately it has failed here to stabilize below the weekly the daily S1 1.0977, below the uptrend line, and to confirm, to validate this breakdown, and then to extend its sell-off here, its downside movement. But as I've said, guys, unfortunately right now the dollar index is bearish. It has registered only a false breakout here above the 98.81 daily R1 resistance, and also a major bearish engulfing here, a false breakout with, above and through the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork. So let's wait. Yeah, with this trade right now, it's still good, it's still in profit, but that's why I've decided to manage it. Okay, Adam Quinn, hi, how are you? Shane Riley, hi, how are you? So yeah, this is my opinion here about the dollar index, about euro versus the US dollar, and yeah, even if the price maybe will hit my stop loss at break even, yeah, I will search maybe for a new setup in euro versus the US dollar for high probability trades. Yeah, these things happen in trading. So let's talk about gold right now. You can see that it has reached a confluence area here. So we have a confluence area at the intersection, guys, between the weekly pivot point here, 1934.77. okay, we also have the downtrend line here, and the daily R1. So resistance area, resistance zone, and right now, and the price of gold registered only a false breakout through this maybe confluence area or something, but let's wait, because the upside pressure is still high. So we have this level 1924.92 as support, this former high, breakout, retest, and here, guys, if the price of gold will register a valid breakout above the weekly pivot point, above the downtrend line, if it will register an upside breakout from this pattern, from this flag, from this channel, it could signal potential maybe upside continuation here. So Orlando's trades are still in gold, are still good, are still valid. So that's why Orlando is still keeping his trades, because yeah, after something like this, 1918, guys, this low here as support, only false breakdown. Here is failure to come back down towards the former low or something, a sideways movement, something like a sideways movement, and right now we are at resistance, and the valid breakout here could signal potential upwards movement. Orlando will come back with his updates, don't forget that, and don't worry, confluence area, yeah, and also we have the medium line of the ascending pitchfork here, and so that's why, yeah, personally I want to see something like this before extending its growth here. So this is Stanimir. Hi, can you please share your thoughts about GBPUSD? Hi, how long are we holding GBP and Euro USD? It's up to you. you want to hold those trades. Personally, I'm still holding euro versus the US dollar. I cannot do anything right now with that trade because my stop loss is at break even. The price turned into the upside right now in the short term, only because the dollar index dropped it. So I cannot do anything with my trade right now. It's safe, and if the price will hit my stop loss at break even, it's fine. And also about British pound versus the US dollar, that's is Orlando's trade, and he will come back with his update, okay, about that trade. And as long as he wants to keep it, I don't know, it's up to you if you want to follow his trade management, or if you want to to manage it, or so this is my opinion here about gold. And I will take a look on GBP US dollar as well. Let's take a look. Sorry, one moment. Okay, so what I believe about British pound versus the US dollar. So if you remember, or I believe that as you already know, guys, today we had the United Kingdom inflation data. So the consumer price index 6.2% growth versus 6.0. Would it be better to put GBP stop loss at break even to? I don't know. It's not my trade, as I've said, Orlando will come back with his updates. It's his trade. I will not manage his trades. Okay, so I'm not doing something like this, because if he'll consider that he needs to move his stop loss at break even, he will do it. Or if he'll decide to manage it, he will come back with his update into the VIP group. So as you already know, the consumer price index 6.2% growth, above expectations. Core CPI also above expectations. So higher inflation reported by the United Kingdom earlier today. Also Fed Chair Powell speaks, also has brought some volatility today into the markets. So what I believe about British pound versus the US dollar. So this it was maybe only a temporary rebound. Even if it has jumped above this resistance area. It has reached this resistance area here. Okay. And it has failed to stabilize above the weekly pivot, above the weekly R1 here, 1.3258, above the 38.2, above the upper medium line, signaling that maybe the upside movement ended. Signaling that maybe the upside movement ended. And that the sellers could take the lead again. But in the short term, it has reached this former resistance zone. Right now, the resistance turned into a support zone, and that's why maybe we have this temporary rebound. And also we have this temporary rebound because the dollar index turned to the downside. We talked about the dollar index earlier. Let's take a look again. I personally put the stop loss at break even. It's up to you guys. As I've said, we are not financial advisors, so if you want to follow our trade management, it's fine. If you want to manage your positions, it's up to you. It's your trading account, so I will not tell you what to do. And when I have something, I will share my trades, my trade management, and if you want to follow my trades and my management, it's fine. Okay, Ahmed, no worries, sir, we'll keep following you. if it hits stop loss or takeover, I'm gonna follow and respect the ups and downs. No, yeah, you can do your own research as well. Actually, yeah, please do your own research, because it's important, because now you don't have to listen to me, because if it doesn't make sense to you what I'm doing here, yeah, you can so right now, only because we have something like this here on the dollar index, we have those rebounds on the British pound, US dollar, on euro versus the US dollar, and maybe after this sell-off will end, we could have a new bullish momentum. Okay, so I'm looking at something like this. I'll wait for something like this, and even if my trade in euro versus the US dollar will be closed at break even, personally maybe I will try to re-enter or to find a better entry. Let's take a look again. Unfortunately, maybe I've made a small mistake today here, because yeah, I've selected a lower entry here, only because maybe I wanted here to have a pending order below this former low, and also only because yeah, we had this range here, this range pattern, yeah, this range, sorry, this range in the short term, and yeah, maybe I should have placed a sell stop maybe right below this former low, but yeah, I didn't wanted to place a sell stop there, only because maybe I thought that maybe the price will register only false breakdowns here, and then it will turn to the upside. Okay, so that's why I've decided to place a sell stop here at at 1.0997 or something. Okay, around that level. Okay, so right now the position is still open. It's still in profit. Let's wait to see what will really happen. Okay. Gold again, let's take a look. And please guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, if you want me to I don't know, to talk about a specific market, yeah, please, I'm here. Okay, so I've said that I will talk about US oil as well. So right now, yeah, gold reached this Confluence area. Let's wait. But as I've said, the upside pressure could still be high as long as it stays above 1924.92 or something. Okay, even if the price will come back down to test retest this support. Okay, it could still resume its growth or something, right? Okay, so this is my opinion here. Let's take a look. US oil. US oil. I wanted to talk about US oil because yeah, it has extended its upside movement. It's a bullish reversal after making a new higher high here. After staying above this uptrend line, it has registered only false breakdowns, and here it has failed to make a new lower low. So please take a look here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's take a look on 15 minutes to see how the price respected maybe these lines here. So something like this. Yeah, a strong rally towards the upper medium line, retest of the medium line, and then rally towards the upper medium line again. Right now, drop towards the lower medium line, and right now a new rally. So in my opinion, as long as it stays above the medium line, above the lower medium line, the bias is bullish, and US oil could extend its growth, could approach and reach new highs. Okay, so yeah, that's why also Orlando's trade in Brent oil, yeah, is in deep profit. So yeah, here we have maybe something like a resistance zone, 114.96, 116.51 or something. But in my opinion, as I've said, and also after jumping here, ignoring 113. 0.33, this former high, and after ignoring the medium line, the weekly R1, it has signaled that the buyers are very strong, and has signaled that the price could extend its growth. Okay, and if it will maybe take out this resistance to jump close and stabilize above 116.51, it could continue to grow at least towards the weekly R2 or something. So yeah, US oil is strongly bullish right now, right? Strongly bullish right now. I have to check something. So yeah, Orlando's trading one moment. In Brent oil, I don't know, something like 1,700 pips or something in profit. Yeah, really good trade on Brent oil. Okay. Also, okay, let's take a look on other markets. Maybe I will identify something like a new trading opportunity. Yeah. Here on US dollar versus the Japanese yen, I don't have something right now. The bias is still bullish. It despite temporary drops, it could still resume its growth. Yeah. I will take a look on yeah. Yeah, unfortunately here, after reaching this dynamic resistance, sell-off, we have a strong sell-off. Yeah. So yen basket. Yeah. Right now, the Japanese yen could resume its depreciation after something like this, temporary rebound, and then sell-off again here on yen basket. And as you already know, when the yen basket drops, the Japanese yen could depreciate versus its rivals. Let's take a look. Yeah, rebound here after this drop on the British pound, Japanese yen. Personally, I don't have maybe good buying opportunities right now, or selling opportunities on the Japanese yen. Here as well, personally, I would have liked maybe euro versus the Japanese yen to come back down, maybe to retest this support zone. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah. Strong rally. One moment. I want to invite more members. Okay. One moment, guys. So yeah, also here, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, strong rally. Yeah, my trade in euro versus US dollar closed at that break even. Yeah, I told you that unfortunately that sell-off in registered by the dollar index could invalidate my my setup, my position. Yeah, yeah, it was a good decision to manage it. Yeah, to move my stop loss at break even, only because yeah, the price could turn against me. Let's take a look. So right now I will delete this this item from here. So yeah, after its failure to hit 1.0960, after its failure to stay below the uptrend line, so we have a new uptrend line here. Please take a look. So the price dropped it, registered an aggressive breakdown through the immediate uptrend line. Yeah, rebound, test, retest, sell off. It has failed here to stabilize below below this new uptrend line. So yeah, it could come back to test, to retest all these, the immediate I don't know, resistance levels. But personally, I will look for a new, maybe short opportunity. Yeah, here, I don't know. Maybe I'll wait for the price for euro versus the US dollar, maybe to approach Jimmy. Hi, how are you? To come back, maybe to retest these, yeah, before turning to the downside. Okay, or I don't know, maybe here, because also let's take a look here. It seems that it was only a temporary sell-off, 34 pips here, this range. Yeah, and if we'll measure this, let's take a look. Yeah, it has dropped so yeah, so 35, 34 pips here, rebound, and then yeah, it has reached this area, this zone. Yeah, it was almost to hit this former low, and as I've said, it has reached that uptrend line. So that's why personally I've decided to manage it. Even if my initial stop loss was here, I don't want to risk something like this for the price to come back higher. Yeah, because if the price will come back here to retest these, maybe I will have a new high probability trade, great setup with a great risk to reward ratio. So that's why I don't want to risk right now keeping that trade. Yeah, so that's why I've decided to manage it. Yeah. EuroCAD, let's take a look. Yeah, strong sell-off. Yeah, I've talked today about this range pattern, and I've said that staying here above these support levels and the new higher high could signal potential rebound, upwards movement, bullish reversal maybe in the short term. But right now, yeah, this scenario was invalidated, sell-off, breakdown, aggressive breakdown. Let's take a look. So dollar index, yeah, so here after something like this could still be only a temporary sell-off, as I've said. Yeah, and we could have something like this. Okay, let's also use 98.62. let's wait, and here if the dollar index will move sideways, if it stays near the upper medium line, it could indicate a potential and an imminent breakout and an upside continuation. And personally I will still look for a new US dollar longs. Okay, after the price closed my position in euro versus the US dollar. Yeah, it was an intraday trade something, but yeah, and also maybe my entry yeah, was too low or something. Okay, and about the British pound versus the US dollar, Orlando's trade is still good, is still in profit, in really good profit, and yeah, he will come back with his update. So let's search, and let's personally I will look for new US dollar longs right now. Let's take a look. So US dollar, Canadian dollar, it was invalidated. US dollar, Swiss franc, let's take a look here. Let's take a look, but right now we don't have something like a good setup. Yeah, breakout from this pattern, falling wedge, but unfortunately it has failed here to make a new higher high. So the pressure is high in the short term, and 0.9313 stands as support, static support, and yeah, as long as it stays above it, it could still turn to the upside and to register and develop a new leg higher, swing higher, and the new lower low dropping, closing and stabilizing below this level could open the door for a larger downside movement here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Yeah, I will take a look also on US equities, on US 100, on US 500, US 30, and also here, guys, only false breakouts. So yeah, sell off, maybe it's natural right now. Yeah, maybe it's natural. Maybe yeah, I want to go back maybe to euro versus the US dollar, because euro US dollar, maybe if I'll decide to go short, maybe here. So 1.0960 stand as support, as critical support, okay, after something like this. So a leg higher, swing higher, okay, breakdown below the uptrend line, here test, retests, and as long as it stays above this level, yeah, it could still come back higher, okay, or it could move sideways, test, retest, and then to escape from this new down channel, and this new down channel could represent a bullish pattern, okay. So maybe what I want here is something like this, or maybe I will look for something like this for a valid breakdown below this level to activate a larger downside movement, okay. And this could be my next trade, guys, because yeah, after something like this, maybe I will still want to go short here, yeah, after the price closed my short position at break even, okay. But yeah, as I've said, it was a good decision right now in the short term, as long as the dollar index drops, as long as yeah, and also after something like this, maybe a temporary rebound was natural, expected. Yeah, something like this, it would have been great here to test, retest 1.1011 or something before dropping deeper. But yeah, I don't know, maybe I will look for something like this here. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I will hide my stop loss here, or maybe I will look for a swing trade. Yeah, maybe I will I'll still keep, maybe I will hide my stop loss here, and I don't know. Personally, right now I'll wait for the euro US dollar to bring me a new great setup, okay, because right now I don't want to rush here, to jump in again here on euro versus US dollar, only because yeah, the price reached my stop loss at break even, okay. So no, I will not do it, because technically, even if the price drop it below the uptrend line, if it fails to make a new lower low, it could still come back higher towards these resistance levels. It could still, I don't know, develop a new leg higher or something, okay. Yeah, and also only false breakdown below the daily S1. So right now I don't have something here on this market. I will keep an eye also, yeah, here New Zealand dollar, US dollar, yeah, further growth. Australian dollar, US dollar, yeah, further growth as well. So right now, unfortunately, guys, yeah, it is really hard right now, maybe to, I don't know, yeah, there are a lot of opportunities, but it's also really hard maybe to I don't know, because unfortunately the current geopolitical tensions and I don't know, inflationary pressure, and I don't know, coronavirus or something, forced maybe the markets, or actually in my opinion the correlations are not working really good right now. And also we have a lot of breaking news about geopolitical tensions, about monetary policy, about rate hikes, about I don't know, about a lot of things, sanctions, about inflation, about I don't know. So it's really hard maybe to trade during yeah, this period, but yeah, we'll still try to identify great and high probability trades. Yeah, great trades, high probability trades with a good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, so this is what I want here in on the dollar index. Okay, something like a sideways movement, and here this could still be only a temporary drop before jumping higher. Okay, so yeah, that's why I'm still looking for US dollar longs. But let's take a look. So we don't have something on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar, US dollar, Mexican peso. Now here further sell-off, sorry, further drop, deeper drop, but please take a look here. Okay, it is almost to hit these former lows, key levels, and let's wait guys, because something here in this area. So former lows as key levels, as historical levels, support levels, 20.118, 20.124. Personal wait for the price to hit this this key level, this support zone, support area. Maybe a strong bullish pattern here. I don't know, false breakdown with great separation, or a major bullish engulfing, false breakdowns, I don't know, double bottom, any other reversal pattern could signal that the market could turn to the upside. Okay, and that's why I will look and I will search for new long opportunities here in this support zone. Yeah, and also after something like this huge and massive drop, sell-off, yeah, a rebound is natural, expected, and yeah, but we'll have to wait for something like this. Okay, US dollar, Mexican peso. I will keep an eye on this market. US dollar, Singapore dollar. No, right now. Actually, here on US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, we could have something like a selling opportunity. Let's take a look. Yeah. Let's take a look here. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. We are still below the upper medium line. And also, this could be only a temporary rebound. Okay, temporary rebound. And this temporary rebound, this pattern here, something like this or something like this, could bring us something here. US dollar, Singapore dollar. Let's take a look. Alex, hi, how are you? So yeah, we could have maybe something like this. I'll wait here to see, because personally I would like maybe the price to retest to make false breakouts here above the upper medium line. Yeah, valid breakdown and then sell off. Okay, this could be my setup, but I don't know yet, because we are still above the uptrend line. It has failed here to retest the upper medium line. So yeah, I'll wait here on the US dollar Singapore dollar, because let's take a look again. I've told you that right now yeah, we have this sell-off here on the dollar index, but the correlation is not working really good. That's why it's important also to make and to build analysis on all markets as well, and not only to, I don't know, to trade based on dollar index on the Japanese yen basket or something. Yeah, and also that correlation between I don't know, when the US dollar appreciates, dollar drops or something is not working right now. And yeah, strong sell-off. US dollar Singapore dollar, I will take a look again. Even if I've said that I will look for US dollar longs, we can catch also something in the short term. 1.3564 as support. Yeah, US dollar Singapore dollar, let's take a look. 1, 2 and 3 here. And yeah, also here, guys, and if I will draw on inside sliding line here, and I will put it here, yeah, it's the same, something like an up channel here in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Kumar, sir, which brokers? What? Provide provide lowest spread. I don't know. Personally, or actually right now we are using on 8 cap, yeah, brokerage company. We used AvaTrade in the past, so it's up to you. Yeah, I don't know where are you from, and I don't know what brokerage companies you can use. Yeah, what brokerage companies do you have? Yeah, or what brokerage companies could offer services in your area, country, or something. So if you want I don't know, more details about something like this, you can email support. Maybe they will come back to you with, I don't know, brokerage companies and something like this. But you can take a look yourself on the internet to see which is the best brokerage company for you. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so here something like this, like a breakdown, a new lower low could open the door for a downside movement. Yeah, here in US dollar Singapore dollar. Yeah, so yeah, I'll keep an eye on this one. I'm from India. No, I don't know what brokerage companies are available in India, so please email support, or please I don't know, take a look on the internet. I don't know exactly. So and also 1, 2 and 3 here. Yeah, Confluence area here. So I will keep an eye on this market, and then I will come back with maybe with potential trade here. Potential trade here in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar for the VIP members only, because personally I share my trades with the VIP members, and I'm sharing my trades into the VIP group. Yeah. Yeah, okay. because even if I've said that, yeah, I will look for US dollar longs, we can also catch something here in the short term, maybe by US dollar short in the short term. Yeah. Yeah, and US dollar, South African rand, let's take a look. Now here I don't have something because we have a strong sell-off. Maybe only something when this sell-off will be over, maybe we can take a look. But right now I don't have something really good. Okay, I've talked about, let's take a look, US 100. Yeah, unfortunately Orlando's trade here in US 100 on Nasdaq, it was closed at break even, only because, yeah, it was risky after making a new lower low here or something. Right now strong sell-off. Yeah, this correlation maybe works in the short term, so only because the US dollar depreciates, the dollar index plunges. Right now we have this yeah, strong rally here on US yeah, if inflation moves up, we'll need to be more restrictive. Yeah, from my news terminal, Eurozone consumer confidence. Sorry, I've missed this one. Whoa, worse than expected, and yeah, unfortunately EUR USD rallied despite this one here. Yeah, I will share it also in the free group with the free members. Yeah. And also yeah, as I've said, guys, a lot of breaking news, which could yeah, change the sentiment in the short term or something. So US 100 here. Yeah, in my opinion, as long as it stays above the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork, the bias is bullish. Okay, but yeah, unfortunately we didn't have a great setup after this sell-up. Yeah, maybe something like this after reaching this former high, but we didn't have a great setup. US 30, whoa, what a strong sell-off here. It has failed to stabilize above the downtrend line. It has reached the upper medium line of this ascending pitchfork. You can take a look again how the price retests, yeah, the medium line, the upper medium line. These lines represent dynamic resistance. Yeah. No, I don't have something here. US 500. Yeah, further growth here after this temporary. Yeah, in my previous webinar I've talked about something like this, temporary drop before extending its growth, but yeah, I know. Right now I don't know, I didn't like to maybe I don't like to trade US equities right now in the short term, because as I've said, we have all kind of breaking news, I don't know, restrictions, I don't know, a lot of fundamentals, yeah, that could change the sentiment. Unexpected, yeah, fundamentals or factors, fundamental factors, or something that could move the markets. So yeah, that's why I want to be careful, yeah, before taking a trade. Bitcoin, yeah, let's take a look on Bitcoin. Please guys, don't forget to like this video. So after it has escaped from this triangle, I've told you that yeah, we could see something like this, an upside movement, upside continuation, and yeah, maybe we have right now something like this, like an up channel. It could continue to grow within this pattern. Okay. And yeah, right now it has jumped above this resistance area, retest, and yeah, in my opinion and in the short term, Bitcoin is bullish, yeah, after its failure to make new lower lows, to retest the previous lows, yeah. Ethereum, yeah, same here. 3045, guys. This former high stands as upside obstacle, resistance. A very breakout here could signal potential growth, further growth here. Okay. Something like this. Yeah. Okay, please guys, if you have questions, more questions, I don't know. So here on Ethereum, please take a look. Breakout, retest, new higher high. Okay, and here jumping, closing, and stabilizing above 3045, above the R1, above the weekly R1, could open the door for a larger upside movement, upwards movements. Yeah, if you are trading Ethereum, or if you are investing, or I don't know if you like cryptocurrencies, but yeah. And also descending pitchfork, breakout above the medium line as well. So yeah, in my opinion, the upside pressure is high in the short term here on Ethereum as well. Okay, it seems that you don't have more questions. Thank you guys. I will come back later, maybe with a new trade in US dollar. Let's take a look. US dollar, Singapore dollar, or I don't know, maybe Euro US dollar again. Okay, thank you guys. I will come back with new trades, with high probability trades into the VIP group, and maybe, I don't know, I will share something also in the free group, but all my trades are in the VIP group. All my analysis, webinars, I don't know, tutorials, videos, data, news, you will find everything in our VIP group. If you are not a VIP member, please access the link posted right below this video to join us. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.